I want you to teach me a new jutsu, Sensei.
Well then, you're in luck. I have just the perfect one. When combined with the perception of the Sharingan, it culminates in a penetrating technique of lightning speed.
I see. Chidori, huh?
First, I'd like to verify what your chakra nature is. Looks like I may be able to pass my jutsu onto you after all. The unique jutsu of Kakashi the Copy Ninja.
Chidori relies on striking swiftly and using a great amount of chakra. Focusing your chakras with a single point in the accelerated strike creates a unique noise that resembles the sound of 1,000 birds. That's the reason why this technique is called Chidori!